Open IGiS CAD. Now you can see here license viewer is open. First uncheck network license option, then click on activate your license button. Click on activate online button. Now replace your trial key to license key. Then click on activate license key button. Your permanent key is activated successfully. Click on finish button. Please follow this process only for activating permanent license from the existing active trial license running in your workstation. For any other changes, please raise ticket through our support portal www.igiscad.com or send us an email on support@igiscad.com and our support team would be glad to assist you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video and explore more at www.igiscad.com.